Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Mate 20X, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. To get started, you want to swipe down from the top of your screen, from the top right side of your screen, to bring down your toggles, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the hotspot toggle, which for me it is right over here. It's named, to be more precise, Personal Hotspot. Once you see it, you want to hold it the first time around, as this will quickly take you to the settings. In here, I'm going to select Configure Hotspot, and you can tap right here on this eye to see the randomly generated password, but what I recommend doing is just getting rid of it altogether and then setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length, and that can be letters or numbers or both. Additionally, if you scroll down, you have a mobile hotspot turn off timer, meaning that if a hotspot isn't being used for 5 minutes, meaning it doesn't detect any kind of data usage, it will turn it off automatically. You can increase this timer. I don't recommend turning it off, but 10 minutes seems to be a reasonable enough time. And from here, also we have advanced options. We have AP band, we have 2.4 or 5 gigahertz. And if you don't know what this is, I recommend keeping it as it is, as this will ensure that your hotspot works with the widest array of devices. Anyway, from here we're going to click on OK. This saves the changes. We can close this, and now let's find the toggle once more. And this time around, just simply tap on it to enable it, which now allows you to connect to your hotspot with any other device. Once you're done with it, you can also turn it off before the timer runs out by tapping on a toggle once more. Now, one thing to keep in mind right here, I don't know if you did notice, but when you enable your hotspot, it turns off Wi-Fi. The reason for that is because it's using the same antennas, so it looks like the phone doesn't have enough of them, meaning that when you try to use your hotspot, it needs to substitute the Wi-Fi signal that it's catching for one to be basically broadcasted. But when you turn it off, it automatically re-enables your Wi-Fi and will reconnect to network if it's possible. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.